Welcome to Bonehead Guitars. Let's go build some stuff.
My wallet. Where the lights were low.
I'm going with the Tune-O-Matic here. I'm using the Stu-Mac roller, which is a little bit different than your normal ABR one. I noticed with these, most of the time they offset the posts to compensate for the difference in string tension and material and all that changes the scale of, from string to string. The saddles on this one are a little more compensated, and the post holes have a little more wiggle room. So I think instead of looking at the posts on this one as a model, I'm going to measure from nut to saddle and then try to place this close to that where I've still got a little bit of room to adjust and pray, because I've never done one of these, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, there we are. Alright, so show me a test hole so I know 29/64 is the size I need for the post. And give me a makeshift step stop so I can tell how far I need to go. Plus just a hair. So, moment of truth. I'm going to drill one, plant it, and make sure that what I guesstimated for the other one is going to line up right. That's a fat one. That's a real tight squeeze. So I thought, what the hell, I'll try to pound it in there as is. It's going up to 15-30 seconds, I think it was. It's not, it's snug, but it's not tight. So I thought I would try this. Hammered it in a little ways. It wouldn't go all the way. Trying to get it out, I busted the lip off and finally did get it out. I have several other Tune-O-Matic bridges, and all the posts are different than these. So for the time being, I will go ahead and go with the messed up one and just put it on the bottom post so I don't have to look at it. So I went with the larger bit, and we fit it. So looks like my choice for post location is perfect. Still a little bit of wiggle room. Need the low E at 25 and a 16th, which is just about perfect. height needs to be 24 and 7/8 minus a hair. So that looks good. At least with this bridge, I've got a little bit of wiggle room outside of saddles as well. So I think we're good. We're going to drill the other hole and see what happens. Awesome. Well, it looked perfect, and it's a tiny little hair outside. Alright, I had planned on, for this one, it's going to be string through, with the bridge in place. I looked at a spot about 2 inches behind the bridge, verified that the strings had plenty of clearance so they didn't interfere with anything on the actual bridge to get to the body. And then just for the hell of it, I put it into a little bit of a curve behind that 2 inches. I have these little face ferrules I plan on using. I looked at 2 different drill bits. One is slightly loose and one is way too damn tight. So I went with slightly loose and I will glue those in place. With the back ferrules, I don't want to do that. I want them snug. These are short little guys. I've run into this before where using a small bit, I think generally it's because of the difference in density in the laminate pieces. Sometimes that drill bit kind of fishes around and comes out in weird places. That happened a little here, but not real bad. It looks partly off center just because the top... No. Yeah, well, anyway. So they came out a little goofy. I compensated as much as possible and got some decent spots, and these are fairly snug. So now we've done that. I need to locate and route out cavities for pickups, and then we can start shaping. Already got a little bit of an issue, and I need to double check because the way I did the neck pocket, the top is not exactly centered. So I got to double check my center line. see my template, fairly snug fit. Just a little bit of wiggle room. We're looking at 3/4 of an inch, maybe a hair more. And there we have it. There we go. I really need a template for my single coil. One thing I did forget about, I do need to... okay, the template that I made that actually had the holes in it, I put it in place, pushed the awl through so I could poke little holes in the top. To get where they need to go, I need to drill those through. My plan is I'm going to have a volume, a 3-way switch, and 2 tones. Meanwhile, I got me a drill bit, let's see, 9/32, just to make sure that pot shaft will go through it. It's a big hole on the face. I'm hungry. I think it's lunchtime.